Question number 2. What is that?
So there is a figure.
What is figure? There is a triangle. Right angle triangle?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
It is like this, like this, like this. Right? This is 90 degree. Right? And this is like this. Hmm? This is.
Yes, sir.
Hello, just look at here right now. What vertex is given to you? 90 degrees given?
Yes, sir.
What is
A
what is
and A and B is A and B is 6.
which one is A?
Sir, A is this.
A
90 degree.
A matlab A is 90 degree.
B.
This is B
Yes, sir.
and this is
C.
C. Yeah. AB is how much?
6.
This is 6 centimeter. Fine.
BC is 10.
BC is 10 centimeter.
AC.
Right. So by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is 10 square is equal to which angle is given? Which angle is taken?
So which angle is
Anyway, this is 6 square plus b square. So it becomes 100 minus 36 is equal to b square. So you can write 64 is equal to b square. Taking root over both sides, we get b is equal to 8 centimeter. Right. So this is 8 centimeter we have. Now what we have to find?
Sin B.
Sine B. Okay. So sine, when we take this angle, so this is the base and this is perpendicular. This is perpendicular. Right. So sine B is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. It means 8 upon 10. It becomes 2, 4 times 2 becomes 8 and 5 times 2 becomes 10. So it becomes 4 by 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sine B. Now
Cos. Sorry. Another cos C.
cos C. When we take cos C, so it is base upon hypotenuse. Right. So for C, this is the base and this is the hypotenuse. So cos C is equal to, again we get 8 upon 10. So it becomes 4 times 2 becomes 8 and 5 times 2 becomes 10. It becomes 4 by 5. Now what?
Now, sir, sin B plus sin C.
Sine
B plus sin C.
Sine B plus sine C. So sine C is how much? Sine C is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So for sine C we have, this is perpendicular, so 6 upon 10. 6 upon 10, it becomes 3 times 2 becomes 6 and 5 times 2 becomes 10. 3 by 5. So this will be how much? 4 by 5. Sorry. So sine B is equal to 4 by 5 plus sine C is equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Right? So we take 7 by 5. Is it? What else?
Sin B, sin B cos C plus sin C cos B.
Hmm.
Sin B cos C plus sin C cos B.
Okay. So if sine BC we know, if we find cos, if we take cos B is equal to what? This is B, so it is base upon hypotenuse, so it becomes 6 by 10. 3 times 2 becomes 6, 5 times 2 becomes 5. So it is 3 upon 5. So now what you have to find? You have to find what?
So sin B cos C
Sin B
cos C
cos C
plus sin C
plus sin C
cos B.
cos B. That is your question. So sin B is how much? 4 by 5
4 by 5.
into
4 by 5.
cos C, 3 by cos C.
4 by 5 is that?
Sin B was 4 by 5. Oh my god. 4 by 5 plus sin C
3 by 5.
3 by 5 into cos B, that is also 3 by 5, right? So it is 16 upon 25 plus 9 upon 25. So 25 upon 25 we get 1. What is your answer? You get 1?
So from starting 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 7 by 5, and fourth is 1. Yes, sir.
Done? Okay, this was question number 2.
Yes, sir.
Now come back to the last one which we were doing. What? Which question we have done yesterday?
So we have done till 27.
So we have to do this time 26.
Yes, sir.
What is 26?
Prove the following.
What?
Cos theta tan,
Cos theta.
cos theta tan theta is equal to sin theta.
Cos theta tan theta is equal to
Sin theta.
sin theta. So cos theta tan theta is equal to
Sin theta.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is cos theta?
So cos theta.
Cos theta is
Yeah.
if we go like that, the cos theta is base upon hypotenuse into, this is LHS, right? So we can write it cos theta into sin theta. One way is that you write here cos theta is base upon hypotenuse into, oh, cos theta is equal to tan theta. Cos theta is equal to tan theta. So one way is cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, or tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, right? Sin tan theta. So this base and base is cancel out. It is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which is equal to sin theta, is equal to RHS. This is the one way. Or you can do it like this. cos theta into tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta. Cos theta gone, you get sin theta. That is equal to RHS.
सर
हाँ
तो मैं लिखना LHS इक्वल्स टू cos थीटा इंटू sin थीटा अपॉन cos थीटा.
ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. This was question number 26.
Yes, sir.
So what next we have?
So now we have second part of this.
This is first part.
Yes, sir.
So what is second part we have?
Sin theta cot theta.
Huh?
Sin theta cot,
Second part. Sin theta
cot theta
cot theta
is equal to cos theta.
is equal to
Cos theta.
cos theta. Simple. LHS is equal to sin theta into cot theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta. This is cancel out, you get cos theta. That is equal to RHS. Second part. What is?
Now the third part.
Hmm.
Sin theta, sin square theta
Sin square theta.
upon cos theta.
Sin square theta upon
Cos theta
cos theta
plus cos theta
plus cos
is
theta
equals to 1 upon cos theta.
is equal to
1 upon cos theta.
1 upon cos theta. So what happens?
तो इसमें
LHS sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta. You take 1 in denominator, taken as LCM, there is cos theta. So this is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Right? So it becomes sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So it is 1 upon cos theta is equal to RHS. Right? This sin square theta and cos square theta is equal to 1. ठीक है? You done this?
yes, sir.
Okay, what next we have?
Question number 25.
Huh?
25.
Should I come?
Yes, sir.
What is question number 25?
If theta is an acute angle,
Question number 25. Theta is
acute angle,
acute angle.
And-
Acute angle.
and sin theta is equals to cos theta,
Sin theta is equal to cos theta.
find the value of
Uh,
2 tan square theta
find value of
2 tan square theta
value of 2
tan square theta
tan square theta. ठीक है.
yes, sir.
Sin theta is equal to cos theta.
Sir,
Sin
और है,
theta.
sir.
हाँ
2 tan square theta
हाँ
plus sin square
plus
sin square theta,
10
tan नहीं sir, plus sin square theta
plus sin square theta
minus 1
-1 ना, ठीक। तो sin theta is equal to cos theta is equal to 1 1 upon root 2, right? So sin theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. It becomes sine 45 degree. So theta becomes 45 degree. Similarly, if we take cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 2 is equal to cos 45 degree. So theta is equal to 45 degree. Now put in value 2 into 10 square 45 plus sine square 45 minus 1, right? So ये हो जाता है 2 10 1045 is 1, तो 2 into 1 square plus 1 upon root 2 whole square minus 1. Hello, this is, so this is, we have 2 minus 1 plus 1 upon root 2, because 1 upon root 2 whole square means 1 upon 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, so 1 plus 1 upon 2 becomes 3 by 2. What is your answer?
थ्री बाई टू।
ठीक है, राइट।
यस सर।
See, फिर we are coming to
24।
what is 24?
if 5 sin theta
If 5 sin theta
is equals to 3,
3,
find the value of
find value of
sec theta minus tan theta
sec theta
minus tan theta
minus tan theta
upon
upon
sec theta plus tan theta
sec theta plus
and theta.
tan theta. This is the question, right? So we'll do it like this. 5 sin theta is equal to 3. It means sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. It means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Hello? So 3 is perpendicular, 5 is hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, base is equal to, base का square is equal to 5 का square minus 3 का square becomes 25 minus 9 is equal to 16, taking root over both sides. So b is equal to 4. Base is equal to 4, right? So now you have sec theta sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base, right? So you get 5 by 4, and tan theta you have perpendicular upon base, so it is 3 upon 4. You get this? Barabar? Now sec theta minus tan theta upon sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4 upon 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4. इन सब में से 4 एलसीएम ले लिया हमने, तो ये हुआ 5 माइनस 3, इसमें से 4 एलसीएम ले लिया तो 5 plus 3. This 4 and 4 is cancel out and you get 2 by 8. It becomes 1 by 4. So it is 1 by 4. Right? You get 1 by 4.
Second answer.
Answer is
1 by 4.
1 by 4. Yeah. Okay, what next?
23.
What is?
If 5 cos
Should I rub this?
is
Hmm. What is your question?
if 5 cos
Question number
23.
23.
If 5 cos theta
5
cos theta
cos theta
minus 12 sin theta
minus 12
sin theta
sin theta
is equal to 0.
is equal to 0.
Find the value of
Find value of
sin theta plus cos theta
value of sin theta
plus cos theta
plus cos theta
upon
upon
2 cos theta
2 cos theta
minus sin theta.
minus sin theta. This is
Yes, sir.
okay. So you come here 5. If I take it here, 5 cos theta is equal to 12 sin theta, right? And bring this 12 here, cos here. So 5 by 12 is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. It becomes tan theta, right? So it becomes, so tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, so it becomes 5 upon 12. So by by 'Pythagoras theorem hypotenuse square is equal to 5 ka square plus 12 ka square becomes 25 plus 144 is equal to 169, taking root over both sides. So h is equal to 13, right? Now what you find? So what will be sine theta? Sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? 5 upon 13. Huh? And cos theta is equal to base. So 12 upon 13. So we have sine theta. So therefore sine theta plus cos theta upon 2 cos theta minus sine theta. Bracket में or it is plain?
So plain.
Okay. Okay. So sine theta is 5 by 13 plus 12 by 13 upon 2 into cos is equal to what? Cos is equal to 12 by 13 minus 5 by 13. Right? From here you have taken 13 as an LCM. 13 as an LCM, it becomes 5 plus 12 upon 13 as an LCM, it becomes 2 times 12 becomes 24 minus 5. 13 and 13 cancel out, right? So it becomes how much? 5 plus 12 becomes 17 upon 24 minus 19. So your answer will be 17 upon 9.
Seventeen upon 19.
ठीक है ना? ज़्यादा है it should be 17 upon 9. Done?
Yes, sir.
Now
Second part.
it's having second. The same data?
No, sir.
Huh.
Different data. It has cosec.
So we have to rub it all.
Yes, sir.
If this value is same.
No, sir. Any value is not same.
This is part 1. ठीक है? Then part 2. Part 2. What is?
If cos sec theta
Cos sec cos theta sec theta.
cosec theta.
What? Cosec theta.
So you get if cosec
Cosec theta. Cosec theta
is equal to 13 by 12
13
by 12,
by 12.
then find the value of
Cosec theta means what? 1 upon sine. Perpendicular upon, so hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Right? So base is base by Pythagoras theorem is equal to 5. Right? Hello? Base is 5. Again?
find the value of 2 sin theta.
Oh. So sine theta is Sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So that is what? Inverse of that 12 upon 13. And what is that next?
Sin theta minus 3 cos theta.
Cos theta. एक मिनट cos theta ना cos theta is equal to 5 by 13
uh, 3 cos theta. 3
अभी cos theta और any
upon
other
4 sin theta.
नहीं only sin theta and cos theta is there ना
Yes, sir.
now what is your question which value we have to find
2
now
sin theta
2 sin theta
minus 3 cos theta
minus 3 cos theta
upon 4 sin theta
upon
4 sin theta
4 sin theta
minus 9 cos theta.
minus 9 cos theta. This is the value, no? That is fine. Now 2 into 2 2 into 12 upon 13 minus 3 bracket 5 upon 13 upon 4 into 12 upon 13 minus 9 into cos is 5 by 13.
Yes, sir.
ये ठीक अब क्या करेंगे now what we can do it's 24 upon 13 13 you take an okay and you don't take here 23 slash 13 minus 15 slash 13 upon 48 upon 13 minus 45 upon 13 right you have taken 13 as an LCM so you get 24 minus 15 upon you get 48 minus 45 upon 13 so 13 and 13 is gone how much is left this is 24 minus 15 becomes 9 upon 3 so 3 times 3 is equal to 3 so value is what value you are getting
3.
so you get 23 now what is now come to 21 22nd you do by your own come to 21 what is 21
Tan theta
question number 21 tan theta
is equals to P upon Q.
tan theta is equal to P upon Q
Find the value of
find
value of
value of
P sin theta
value of P sin theta
minus Q cos theta
minus Q
cos theta
cos theta
upon
upon
P sin theta
P sin theta
plus Q cos theta.
plus Q cos theta. This is the value you have to find.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tan theta means perpendicular upon base, right? Therefore, hypotenuse is equal to what? Hypotenuse is equal to P square plus q square root over, right? This is, so now sine theta sine theta sin theta is equal to perpendicular, मतलब p upon root over p square plus q square, and cos theta means q upon root over p square plus q square, right? This is we have. So now substituting the values here, so p, wait,
Yes, sir.
p bracket p slash p square plus q square root over, right, minus q bracket cos theta q upon root over p square plus q square upon p bracket p slash root over p square plus q square minus q bracket q slash root over p square plus
Q square.
q square, राइट। अभी क्या करेंगे, ये हो जाएगा, इसमें से रूट पी स्क्वायर क्यू स्क्वायर को कॉमन ले लेंगे, we'll take common and this p is multiplied by p becomes p square and q is multiplied by q square. So we do it like this. So we get p square, we will get p square minus q square slash root p square plus q square slash I did wrong. This is plus, no? When we put the value, this is plus. So this is plus. So now we will take here p square plus q square plus root over p square plus q square, right? This is cancel out.
Yes, sir.
And then what is left over?
P square minus Q square.
P square minus q square upon
P square plus
p square plus q square. I hope this will be the answer, because अगर इसको difference of two square if we apply there, but the things further it cannot be solved.
P square minus Q square upon P square plus Q square.
Done this?
Yes, sir.
Do the 19. What is 19?
Tan theta
19, no?
is
Tan theta
equals to P by Q.
Tan theta is equal to
P by Q.
p by q.
Find value of P sin theta
value of p sin theta
minus 3 cos theta
minus
3 cos theta
3 cos theta
upon
on
5 sin theta
p sin theta minus 3 की q
So minus 3 cos theta.
3 cos theta. अच्छा और हाँ
सर एक सर आपने सर 20 लेफ्ट करवाया ना सर?
हाँ
सर 19 का सर 5 बाई तो दूसरा क्वेश्चन सर 19 का सर दूसरा है
ये कौन सा रहेगा मतलब विच क्वेश्चन यू आर टेलिंग मी
और ये मैं आपको सर मैंने वैल्यू आपको 21 की बता दी सर वो 20 का गलत
टेल मी
सर tan theta is equal to 5 by 12
10
theta is equal to 5 by 12
10 theta is equal to 5 by 12
and value
it
of
means perpendicular upon base so by Pythagoras theorem hypotenuse is equal to 5 का square plus 12 का square becomes 25 plus 144 is equal to 169, right? Root over, so h is equal to 13. अब
find the value of cos theta plus sin theta
cos theta plus sin theta
upon cos theta minus sin theta
upon
cos theta minus sin theta.
cos theta minus sin theta. This is
Yes sir.
this much.
Yes sir.
Okay. So cos theta is base is 12 upon 13 and sin theta is equal to perpendicular 5 upon 13. So when you put here 12 upon 13 plus 5 upon 13 5 upon 13 upon 12 upon 13 minus 5 upon 13. So you will get how much? 13 as an LCM upon 17 upon, this is minus, no?
Yes
Huh?
sir.
12 minus 5 becomes 7.
Yes sir.
7 upon 13. 13 cancel. 17 upon 7. It becomes 2 whole. 3 by 7. What is your answer?